Hello, welcome back to CompXM 2024-25, CAPSIM CompXM 2024-2025. In the last video, I have shown you how to the top 10 winning tips, UE Dutch condition report, user free Excel file to calculate R&D for each round, update R&D in the video round 1, and then we add 4 new products in round 1. And we set the price, so we calculate the sales forecast, and now we are going to calculate the production. I show you now. We go back to the game and then we set for production, right? For production. Remember, before we set production, we have set decision for the marketing, the price here, and then promotion and sales, and also the sales forecast here. We calculate that, and now we do the production. Production is the key to win, right? Production. So you see the production based on the sales forecast and the inventory. We input the number of production here. So I show you step by step now. You see the number here, right? So 2047, 832, and 718, and 829. So we have this for user sales forecast and deduct inventory. We can use the Excel file here to calculate faster, right? You see the Excel file to calculate production faster. We double check the number, right? Do not make mistake here, right? And then we have to do the buy and sell capacity. So we buy new capacity for the core. We buy 7 nano for elite, 300 and 900 for trip, right? Because trip and core has the largest market share, and automation we use the same file for 6. So we check total budget to see if we have enough budget. Let's see. Yeah, 900. Typing mistake, so we check that again, okay, to make sure we have the right number. So we have the right number here, and also we have the budget here, close total budget, right? So again, for the trip we have 900 more, core 7, nano 3 and 3, and then automation 6, 5, 4, 4. Again, do not copy the number. I show you the way to do and use the number from the industry condition report of your game to do that, right? And now we set decision for HR, here, human resource, HR, human resource. So for HR, we use 5,000 and 80 hours for all the 4 hours to make it simple, right? 5,080 hours for all the 4 hours. That's decision for HR, remember. And then decision for finance here, right? Decision for finance here, we set 39,000 for max stock is 0. Do not retire, use 0.01 dividend for the first round, and we use 15,000 for the current debt. You see the number here, and go to the right, we can see the long term here, right? Issue long term debt, we see 14,000, and we can use a 45 days account receivable to have better sales, right? And I show you the decision for TQM to make it simple, right? This TQM, we can use 1,000 for all, right? To make it simple, you can do like this. If you want, you can customize a little bit, but around 1,000 is okay, right? But 1,000 for fast, right? And then we check the income statement, performer income statement. So you see, I show you the income statement here. We have very good sales here, very good contribution margin. We can increase contribution margin to 40, 45, and 50% after each round, and you have the profit here around 6%. This is very normal. This is normal because in early rounds we have sale and promotion here. You see, we spend around 12,000 for sale promotion, and then we can increase net profit to 10, 15, and 20% after each round. So that's our strategy. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.